The International Code of Signals, Annex 4 outlines a method of visual signaling using single letter, also known as signal flags, for maritime communication. This system allows ships to communicate important messages visually when radio or other methods are unavailable or impractical. Methods of transmitting and receiving information. Visual signaling Annex 4. Number 1. Transmission using single letter signals. Signal flags. Each flag represents a specific letter of the alphabet and when has a corresponding meaning when flown individually. These flags are hosted on a signal halyard on the mast of a ship. Each single letter flag conveys a specific standardized meaning. For example, A. Alpha. I have a deeper down, keep wheel clear and slow speed. B. Bravo. I am taking in or discharging or carrying dangerous goods. C. Charlie. Yes. In November. No. Display number 2. Display procedure. Flags are hosted one at a time when transmitting a single letter signal. They are kept hosted for a sufficient period to allow the receiving vessel to observe and understand the signal. Night signaling may be done using flashing lights representing Morse code for the letter. Number 3. Receiving the signal. The receiving ship
Receiving the signal. The receiving ship observed the hosted flag using binoculars or direct lines of sight. The crew will interpret the meaning using the International Code of Sign Reference, Annex 4 or ICS book. Response can be made by hosting the appropriate reply flags or corresponding signal. Repetition and confirmation. To ensure clarity, the signal may be repeated. Confirmation may be requested or given using standard response flag or Morse signaling.